Because Budget Challenge utilizes de-identified student registration, we recommend that teachers become familiar with it before students start creating their accounts. For more on what de-identified student registration is and why Budget Challenge uses it, please watch the video titled De-Identified Student Registration, the Gold Standard in Protecting Students. In this video, we will review 2 methods for planning registration to be used before student registration begins, and 1 alternate method for those teachers that either choose not to use registration planning or teachers that might have forgotten to. The first method to create usernames is based on the Gradebook rank, which is typically alphabetical by last name. In this method, the student can pick any username they want, but they need to start with a number that corresponds to their order rank in the class gradebook. Adding an underscore between the 2 parts can help with readability. One advantage of this method is that it also makes it easy to transfer student performance and assessment data into your gradebook. The second method is based on student names. Use the first 2 initials of the last name and the first 2 initials of the first name, followed by something that the student chooses for themselves. Here is what that might look like. There are several variations of this method. For example, maybe the first 3 letters of the last name plus first initial, or vice versa. The important thing to keep in mind is that whatever name-based method you use, it shouldn't make sense to someone outside the classroom. Now, if some or all of your students registered without any registration planning, and you are seeing mystery usernames, this alternate method is for you. First, log in and go to Teacher Home. Look for an orange button that says Roster and click on it. Each class will have their own button. Next, look for another orange button that says Username Identifier Sheet. Click it and select Print. This will print out a list of all of the usernames that have registered for a class. Now, ask the students to identify their mystery usernames by putting their real names next to it. With this list complete, teachers can return to this web page and reorder the list of usernames to match their gradebook order. This can be done by using the up and down arrows in the roster order column. Once this is done, this order will be reflected throughout all of the views and reports inside of Budget Challenge. We understand that this process creates a small amount of additional planning effort, but we hope you agree that it is a small cost to pay to achieve the gold standard in protecting students' data and privacy.